Hey, what's going on everybody? It's me, Joey, and today I am bringing you a video on how to connect your 8BitDo SN30 Pro Plus to your Nintendo Switch. Now, the reason I'm making this video is when I purchased my 8BitDo, I found I had some issues connecting it to my Nintendo Switch, and one of the main problems I ran into is the actual instructions were not very well written. So I have put together this video to show you all how to connect your 8BitDo SN30 Pro Plus. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press the start button and the Y button at the same time. Okay, what that's going to do is it's going to get the controller to start blinking green like so. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to get this little button right here. Alright, and we're going to get that going. Alright, now as you see, this is in control, right? This is not yet. Alright, so now you're going to do is you're going to go to controllers. You're going to go to change grip order. It's that first option that's right there. Okay. And there we go, guys. I'm all paired up. It takes a little while to kind of click in like that. You saw that it kind of had a little lag, but other than that, you should be ready to go. And you see, now I am able to kind of move around freely. And if this helps you, please like and subscribe. I really hope this makes your life a little easier. This is an amazing control, so I don't want someone reading the instructions and thinking this is a terrible control. It's not. It's a fantastic, it's an amazing control. The one thing I will say that is when the Switch is on the dock, you won't be able to wake it up with the controller. So you would have to physically go and activate the Switch, and then you should be ready to go. But yeah, I hope that helps. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until later, bye.